In today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing on the Qiyi Clover Pyraminx. Okay, so open it up. There are no instructions inside. Okay. And it turns on the edges. It's very smooth turning. Yeah, it's very smooth turning. Oh, there's a catch there. And there, okay, see. It turns like this. It also can shapeshift by turning this halfway and turning this, because this is actually a 3x3. This is a center of here, this thing, and then these are just, this is an edge piece, since when like these petals, and then these tiny pieces are corners, but there's actually hidden corners here, through here, so that's why it's a 3x3. Yeah, it's very crazy, shape-shifting. Like this. It's gonna be really tricky to solve this. See? So it's basically a cube but smushed into a pyramid. So it's hidden corners. Okay, I'm gonna scramble it up. Actually, without shape-shifting it, I'm gonna scramble it. Actually, I shouldn't have ended scrambling because it's gonna take forever to solve. Thanks for watching this video about this review of the Clover Pyraminx. I would recommend this because it's like really smooth turning, but the difficulty, you may be confused about this, so like difficulties were like 5.5 out of 10. Overall, I would give it a rating of 8 out of 10, because sometimes you can have internal catches because there's some really small pieces. But overall, it's a really fun puzzle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe because I want to reach 100 subscribers very soon. Bye.